Fuser. If you've ever wanted to vibe code an app, a game, or a full website without touching a line of code, Fuser lets you do it on one visual canvas, using over 280 AI models at once. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how it works, what it costs, and whether it's actually worth switching to. Let's get into it. So what is Fuser exactly? At its core, Fuser is a node-based, infinite canvas where you connect AI models, image generators, video generators, LLMs, even 3D and audio tools, into one visual pipeline. Instead of jumping between 10 different AI tools and copy-pasting outputs between them, you build the whole workflow in one place, and it stays reusable. The newest piece, and the reason we're covering it today, is Fuser Apps. That lets you take everything you build on the canvas, images, copy, layouts, and turn it into an actual live, shippable app or website. This is built for solopreneurs, indie hackers, content creators, and small agency teams who need to move fast on product mockups, landing pages, or creative campaigns without hiring a dev or a full design team. Let's talk money. Fuser starts you off with 2,000 free credits just for signing up, no credit card required, so you can test the canvas before paying anything. When you're ready to upgrade, there are 3 tiers. Indie starts at $22.50 a month for 25,000 credits. The recommended plan is Professional, at $44.10 a month for 45,000 credits. Then there's Teams, starting at $170.10 a month for 150,000 credits and 10 seats included. One neat detail. Each plan has a slider, so you can dial credits up or down and watch the price adjust live. Full pricing is at Fuser. Studio, pricing, links in the description. Alright, let's actually build something. I'm using the sample brief I put together. We're making Drop, a one-page sneaker launch countdown site, from scratch, live, right now. After logging in, you land on a clean projects dashboard. On the left you've got recent projects, my apps, my templates, and some starter projects if you don't want to begin from zero. Bottom left shows your current credit balance, so you always know where you stand before spending anything. To start building, I click New Project. That drops me into the actual canvas, which is where the real work happens. This is a totally blank canvas. Fuser tells you exactly how to start. Drag in content, hit Shift+A to add a node, or grab one of the starter templates. I'm going to build mine from scratch. I hit Shift+A and the search panel opens. Every node shows its credit cost and average generation speed before you even place it. You've got image models, LLMs, video models, and dedicated app nodes all in one place. I'll search for Flux.2 and drop it onto the canvas. There's the Flux.2 node. You can see exactly what it needs: a prompt, an image size, and a model type. The credits are already reserved before generating, so there are no surprises. I'll paste my sneaker prompt. Before you generate, you can switch between square, portrait, or landscape, and choose the Flux model variant depending on whether you want faster drafts or higher quality. And there it is. The sneaker rendered right inside the node. My credit balance updates immediately, so I know exactly what that generation cost. Now for the actual vibe coding part. I search for the app node and drop it onto the canvas. The app node asks for inspiration, assets, and a database input. Instead of starting from scratch, you connect the content you've already generated. One wire, and my sneaker image is now connected to the app. Inside the app prompt, I describe the countdown website I want to build, using that sneaker image as the hero. While it's generating, Fuser actually narrates what it's doing. It reads the connected assets, processes the prompt, and assembles the app step by step instead of leaving you staring at a loading spinner. And here's the finished draft: a headline, the sneaker hero image, a working countdown timer, and a notify me email form, all generated from one prompt and one connected asset. It looks good, so I hit publish. A few seconds later, the app is live with its own public URL. The status changes from draft to published, and the project is immediately shareable. On speed, the image generation took only a few seconds depending on the model, while the app node took around 1 to 2 minutes to generate the working website. During my testing, I didn't experience crashes or lost work. Ease of use depends on your background. If you've used node-based tools before, you'll probably feel comfortable quickly. If this is your first Node canvas, expect a short learning curve while getting used to connecting workflows. Thankfully, starter templates, documentation, and in-app tooltips help make the process easier. Let's run through pros and cons. Pros. The AppNode's Canvas to Live app workflow is genuinely unique. Access to hundreds of AI models inside one workspace saves switching between multiple tools. Transparent credit pricing lets you see the cost before every generation. Credits never expire and roll over. The free trial makes it easy to test everything before committing. Cons. The node-based interface has a learning curve for complete beginners. Large generations like high-resolution video or complex 3D can use credits quickly. The Indie plan only allows 10 saved workflows. There's no offline or local model option. So, final verdict on Fuser. This is one of the more genuinely novel tools I've tested this year. The AppNode makes it incredibly easy to turn AI-generated assets into a live, shareable app inside one workflow, making it especially useful for solo creators and small teams who want to move fast. It's not the easiest tool to learn on day one, and you'll want to keep an eye on your credit usage. But the combination of model variety, visual workflows, and the free trial makes it an easy tool to recommend trying. I'm giving Fuser 4.3 out of 5 stars. If you build creative assets, mockups, or landing pages regularly, this is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching this Fuser apps review. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and don't forget to check out this video here, which YouTube thinks may be a good fit for you.